off-road legends, the Land Rover Defender immediately comes to mind. And the 2026 model takes that heritage to an entirely new level. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Defender makes a bold statement. Its exterior carries that unmistakable rugged charm, but with a modern twist. The angular yet refined body lines, elevated stance, and muscular wheel arches give it an authoritative presence. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering rugged terrain, the signature flat roof and boxy silhouette are classic Defender cues. Yet the sleeker LED headlights and taillights bring a contemporary sophistication that perfectly balances tradition with modern design. And the 2026 Defender surprises you with a cabin that's as comfortable as it is functional. High-quality materials, from soft-touch surfaces to durable upholstery options, make the interior both luxurious and practical. The driver's seat offers excellent visibility, while the advanced digital instrument cluster and large infotainment touchscreen provide intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. There's also generous space for passengers and cargo, making it a versatile choice for families, adventurers, or anyone who simply enjoys a roomy interior. Performance-wise, the 2026 Defender impresses both on and off the road. It offers multiple engine options, from a turbocharged four-cylinder to a powerful inline-six mild hybrid system, and even high-performance V8 variants. The smooth yet responsive power delivery ensures effortless highway cruising while maintaining the capability to tackle steep inclines, rocky paths, and deep mud with ease. Its permanent all-wheel drive system, coupled with Land Rover's advanced terrain response technology, allows the vehicle to adapt to different surfaces, from snow and sand to gravel and wet grass. And with impressive ground clearance and wading depth, the Defender isn't just for show. It's built for serious off-road exploration. One of the standout features is its off-road tech. Hill descent control, configurable terrain settings, and the optional air suspension make challenging trails more manageable and provide a comfortable ride on rough roads. Advanced safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, combine modern convenience with rugged capability. Even when loaded with gear, the Defender maintains remarkable composure. Thanks to its reinforced chassis and precise steering, design details also make this SUV truly unique. The rear swing-out door, optional roof racks, and customizable accessories give you the ability to personalize your Defender for adventure. The aerodynamic touches, integrated lighting, and choice of bold exterior colors ensure it looks as confident on a city street as it does in the wild. Inside, modular storage options, durable mats, and smart tech features make it ready for any journey. Ultimately, the 2026 Land Rover Defender isn't just an SUV. It's a statement of versatility, luxury, and adventure. It combines the rugged DNA of its iconic predecessors with modern engineering, innovative technology, and refined comfort. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a family on weekend getaways, or someone who simply wants a commanding presence on the road, the Defender meets every need without compromise. It's more than a vehicle, it's an invitation to explore without limits, blending capability and style in perfect harmony.